like that before. There was this guy. He was in a plane, first class. And so the person sitting next to him started a conversation because he was reading his Bible, and the guy was like, look, let me tell you, just like our 80s friend that comes here. Yeah, he was just talking and talking how religion is how people have been enslaved and all of that. And he was just yapping and yapping on. And this man of God was like, God, how do I respond to this guy? And the Lord told him, speak in tongues. Speak it out loud. I mean, come on. It's awkward that you're going to be speaking in tongues in an airplane, not in economy, in first class. And the guy just started blasting in tongues. When he finished, the guy was like, nobody knows that about me. How did you know? How did you know about the pain in my back? Nobody knows that about me. And how did you know my language? And the guy said, I don't even know what I said. I just know that the Holy Ghost said I should speak in tongues. He said, you called my father, my grandfather, my great-grandfather. You called their names and you spoke about what they had, which has become like a hereditary. The disease is hereditary. My great-great-grandfather had it, my great-grandfather, my grandfather, my father, and now me. And nobody knows, not even my wife knows